Accept. Accept. To receive or agree to something. She accepted the invitation. Add. Add. To put something with something else. Please add sugar to my tea. Agree. Agree. To have the same opinion. They agreed on the plan. Answer. Answer. To respond to a question. He answered the phone quickly. Ask. Ask. To say something to get information. Can I ask you a question?
Be. To exist or live. I want to be a doctor. Become. To begin to be something. She became a teacher. Begin. To start something. Let's begin the lesson. Believe. To think something is true. I believe in you. Break. To damage or separate. He broke the glass.
Bring. To take something to a place. Please bring your book tomorrow. Build. To make something. They built a house. Buy. To get something with money. She bought a new car. Call. To speak on the phone or name someone. He called his friend last night. Can. To be able to. I can swim very well.
Today. Change. To make something different. She changed her clothes. Clean. To make something not dirty. I clean my room every day. Close. To shut something. Close the window, please. Come. To move towards someone. She came to the party. Cook. To make food. He cooks dinner every night. Cut. To divide with a sharp tool. He cut the paper. Dance. To move to music. They danced all night. Décider. To make a choice. He decided to stay home. Do. To perform or complete. She does her homework. Draw. To make a picture. He draws very well. Drink. To take a liquid. I drink water every morning. Drive. To control a vehicle. She drives to work. Eat. To take food into the mouth. We eat lunch at noon. Enjoy. To have fun. They enjoyed the movie. Explain. To make something clear. He explained the rules. Fall. To move down quickly. The leaves fall in autumn. Feel. To have an emotion or sense. I feel happy today. Find. To discover something. She found her keys. Finish. Finish. To complete something. He finished his homework. Fly. Fly. To move through the air. Birds fly in the sky.
Today. Forget. Forget. To not remember. I forgot his name. Get. Get. To receive or obtain. I got a new job. Give. Give. To offer something. She gave me a gift. Go. Go. To move to a place. I go to school every day. Grow. Grow. To become bigger. The plant grows fast.
Happen. Happen. To take place. What happened yesterday? Have. Have. To own or possess. I have 2 cats. Hear. Hear. To use your ears. I hear music. Help. Help. To give support. She helps her friends. Hold. Hold. To keep something in hands. He holds the baby.
Hope. Hope. To want something to happen. I hope you feel better. Invite. Invite. To ask someone to come. She invited me to her party. Keep. Keep. To continue or hold something. Keep the door open. Know. Know. To have information. I know the answer. Learn. Learn. To gain knowledge. I learn English every day.